I'm going to explain what you have to do. Very simple thing you have to do in this experiment. You have taken already 2 ounces of the lemon juice, lemon, not juice, sorry. You have taken 2 ounces of the lemon. Okay, you have taken 2 glass and third glass with water. Now, what you have to do? Take same proportion of water in that both glass, empty glasses. Take there. Less you can take 10 ml or near about quarter you can take it. Okay, take it, all of you. Just take the water in both glasses. Taken? Good. Everybody have to do it. Nice thing. Have you taken water? Just quarter, not full. Okay. Very good. Now you have to take that first half. You have taken no first half of the lemon. You have to take it. Take in your hand. Taken, and you have to put 10 drops in first glass and second also 10 drops. Put in it. You can take same proportion. I told 10 drops means not 10 drops. You can take less or more, depends on your wish. Okay. Taken. But in both should be the same. It will not more and less. Done. Very good. Now with the help of spoon, you can stir it. Very good. Those are doing very nice. See, yes, Saish Kharak, Diraj, Mrunal, Siddhika, then Sai Malpure, Shitija, Gunjagaukar, Shreya, Samruddhi Shimpi, Trupti Gosavi, Payal Ranode, Soham Mari, Sai Bagati, Ishwari Karak. Very nice. All students are doing very good. Okay. So now, just what you have to do, take that same spoon now. Okay. And take little in that and you have to taste it from both glasses. Okay. From both glasses you have to take it. Little you can take as per your wish, no problem it. And taste it. Taste it from both glass, not a single glass. And you have to identify any difference between it taste. You are getting, because we have taken their same proportion of water and same proportion of lemon juice. Are you getting there any difference between it? You can speak yes or no.
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir.
Now what you have to do in first glass, you have to add more water in first glass. First glass, only first glass, sir. Just water you have to add. You can take it half. We have taken already near about quarter. Now you can make it half. Don't add your lemon juice. Add it. All of you add it. Just water, not their lemon juice. What I am saying, that listen carefully. Okay. Done it. Taken water, all of you. And now which glass you have added water? Again taste it. After stirring, taste it. What will you get? Now here one thing. Have you done it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What will you get? Yes, before you taste it, that time it tastes was their strong sour taste. And when we have added there more water, that time that mild. Are you getting the difference? Got it or not? First, you have tasted both glass from the juice or water. That time you are getting there strong. And now when we have added more water into only one glass, that time we are getting that taste, the mild. It means this concentration of acids or base, it depends on its solvent. Okay, solute we are adding same, but we are adding solvent more. That time its concentration will be reduced. Okay, getting it from this. So everybody got it or not? What I want to show from it. Afterwards, you can make it now sharbat. Okay, and you can drink it. Just we are going to see now our point. That is the concentration of acid and bases. So yes, same thing. So about the sour taste, we are getting it. The quantity of lemon juice is the same in the both, but when we are adding more water, that time we are getting that little mild. So depends on the solvent, it taste is depend here. Okay, it means concentration is the more. And then that acid is called the concentrated acid. And if base is there more, then it's called the concentrated base. Or strong acids and weak base, or strong acids, weak acids, strong base and weak base we can identify with the help of like these experiments. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? So now see, when the concentration of a solute is so called a concentration of the solute in the solution. And while the solution is called a dilute solution, and when the concentration of the solute is low. See there, dilute solution and concentrated solution means in that more proportion of water or solvent is present, that is the dilute. Okay, and when there the acid or base proportion the more than the solvent, then it's called the strong acid or strong base.